to do a safety check, so open your windows all the way down. There you go, all the way there. Now follow my instructions. Okay, right turn signal, please. Right turn signal. Left turn signal. Put on your hazard lights. Hazard lights on, please. Hazard lights on. All right, good. Keep those flashing. Take your foot off the brake, please.
Should the vehicle be in park position? Vehicle is in park.
Your foot off the brake pedal.
Yes. I took it off and the vehicle
Take your foot off the brake pedal.
Yes, yes.
All right, good, good. Beep your horn. May I see your learner's permit? Thank you. Okay. Hazard lights off, please. Hazard lights off. Right turn signal. Left turn signal. Put on your headlights. Headlights on, please. Headlights off. Put on your windshield wipers.
Sorry?
Windshield wipers on.
On?
Yes. All right. Okay. Thank you.
Isha.
Now you're going. They should be off the roadway, please. Okay. Now you're going to be doing two different skills today. The first one is going to be down on the course. That's going to be your back end parking. And I'll be there and I'll give you those instructions.
Yep.
Now to get there, you're going to drive on this roadway like you would a public road. You're going to obey all the traffic laws, follow the traffic signs, and use your turn signals.
Yep, sure.
Now, do you have any questions before we start?
No, no.
Okay. Stay here. Do not move. Do
Oh,
not move.
okay.
Well, I'll call you when I'm ready. Stay right here.
Yep, sure. This way? I have to.
Stop. Put in. Stop. Put in park, please. Okay, now you are here. You've got the two rows of cones. You're going to drive right past it. Stop. Back up and park. You have 3 minutes to do the maneuver.
Yeah, sure.
Any questions?
No.
All right.
If
please
that
go.
comes?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, okay.
Please go.
Okay.
Okay, put in park, please.
Yes.
Now I want you to follow the roadway and stop at this orange cone right here.
There. Okay. Okay.
Follow the roadway. Stop right there.
Yeah. Sure.
You too. Okay, stop. Put it in park, please.
Yeah. Oh man.
Okay. Now you're going to continue straight ahead.
Mm-hmm.
You see where that red car's parked? That's where we're heading.
Okay. Okay.
That's the way out.
Okay.
All
Sure.
right, please go.
Sorry. Street.
Yeah, continue straight
Yeah.
ahead.
Okay.
Now I'm going to have this stop for a moment. Stop for
Here?
a moment. Yeah, stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Oh, okay.
Put it in park. Okay, you're now going to proceed to the road portion of your driving test.
Okay.
I'll give you instructions as far advanced as possible. I will not ask you to do anything illegal or unsafe.
Uh-huh.
You're responsible for the safe operation of this vehicle at all times.
Uh-huh.
If you disqualify by doing anything illegal or unsafe, the
Uh-huh.
test will be terminated and I'll drive back to the MTA.
Okay.
Now, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. You're going to move forward. You see those two white one-way arrow
One way.
signs? Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
There, you're going to make a left turn.
Left turn.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Please make a left turn.
Yeah. Shall I start?
Oh, yeah, go right ahead.
You want me to pull up the video?
No, mine stays
Oh,
off.
okay, okay,
You
okay.
can close yours if you want.
Okay, okay. Just asking. Here, straight.
Continue straight ahead. At the intersection with the traffic sign, please make a right turn.
Okay. Should I continue in this?
You're going to continue straight ahead.
Okay.
You just passed the traffic sign. What did it indicate?
30.
30 mile an hour speed limit.
Yes.
Not 33, it's 30.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, follow the speed limit. This is your only warning for speeding, okay?
Okay, okay.
All right, no more speeding.
Okay.
At the intersection with the traffic light, you're going to make a left turn.
Okay.
At the intersection with the traffic light, please make a left turn.
Can I close my side of the
Yes, you can close
Thank
yours,
you.
yes. No problem. Now we're going to continue straight through this intersection when it's safe to do so.
Okay.
At the intersection with the traffic light, please make a right turn.
Yeah.
At
Sure.
the intersection with the traffic light.
So.
At the intersection with the traffic light, please make a right turn. At the intersection at the top of the hill with a traffic light, please make a right turn. You're going to continue through this intersection.
Yeah.
Please make a lane change. One lane change to the right, please. Make a lane change to the left. One lane change to the left, please.
Should I continue straight?
You change it straight ahead, yes, please. You can continue straight, please.
Yeah.
Now you're going to be making a left turn.
Here?
Yep, your first left. You see it right there, the opening in the roadway.
Okay.
You'll
Okay.
be making a left turn into Bowman Farm Road.
Yeah, sure.
Right here, please. Make a left turn when it's safe to do so.
This way? Should I continue this way?
Yeah, continue straight ahead, please. Now you're going to be making your second left turn. Not this one right here, the next one.
Next, sorry.
The next one down.
Sorry.
It's where we exited the parking lot.
Okay,
That's
okay.
where we're going to enter.
Okay.
Please make another left turn. And then you're going to make a right turn into the parking area. Let him come out. Gives you more
Okay.
room. Please make a right turn. And then you're going to make a left. Pull into the left and park.
Okay.
Pull into the left. Just pull in there, please. In there. Pull in.
This way?
Park there.
Park.
Pull
okay.
in.
Okay.
All right? There you go. Okay, good. Put it in park, please. Congratulations, you passed.
Okay.
All right, so now you're going to go inside
Okay.
and take all your papers and you're going to get your provisional license, okay?
Thank you.
Just go inside and wait for your number. It's the same one that was your appointment.
Thank you.
T780.
Okay. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Drive safely.
Thank you.